Good evening, dear students. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a video making use of powtoon, the required tool, the required app that we're going to use to develop this task. Okay, so I hope you find it useful and that it helps you to accomplish the first part of the project that is called a problem statement. Okay, so my dear students, I'm going to start sharing my screen and I'm going to start presenting to you what is required. Okay, so the first thing, guys, obviously, as usual, it is necessary that we access our course. Yeah, it is necessary that we go to the unit 1, right? I'm gonna use right now the vision as a student so you can have a clear perspective about it, okay? So in the unit 1, we are in our word, our problems. We're gonna start clicking on the next stages, right? Our problems, global issues, the historical and social context. Those are the units we have passed through so far. The magnitude of our problems, right? Then we go to the online meeting. And now we go to the impact of our problems, okay? When we click on the impact of our problems, we're gonna find different information. And after that, we're going to arrive to project task 1, a problem statement, okay? In here, we gotta access the activity, right? We have to click on here. And after that, we are going to have all required indications, questions, and answers that you are supposed to discuss in this first part of our class project, okay? I extra recommend to you take a look to these instructions, possible questions, and information that you can consider and use for creating your video, right? After that, I want to make an emphasis in here. We got the rubric, right? In the rubric, you got the indications about the aspects I'm going to consider at the moment to evaluate and to provide you a grade, okay? So take a look to the rubric, right? Take a look to the specific things, to the aspects that I am gonna take into consideration for grading it, so you can have an excellent result, my dear students, okay? Now, going back to the indications, to the instructions, right? Again, I recommend you to be extra attentive to what is gonna be required from you, okay? When you take a look, when you write the information, when you have a clear perspective, now it is the moment in here to go to the stage 4, right? In here, you're gonna find this word, powtoon. Powtoon, as I mentioned before, it's gonna be the web page in which you are gonna have the possibility to create your video production, okay? So the intention of this tutorial is to show you how the app works so you can have a clear perspective about how to proceed, okay? So guys, we are gonna access powtoon, right? We're gonna find something similar to what I have there, yes. You can log in with your Google account, right? I'm gonna show you the full process from the very first beginning, okay? So I'm logging out, yes. When you click on powtoon, you are going to arrive to this web page, okay? You just have to click on login. And after that, you can have the possibility to access with your Facebook account or with your Google account. Some of you have Office account, you can access making use of it too. In my case, I'm gonna use Google, all right? And after that, I'm gonna choose, give me 1 second, I want to clarify something in here. I'm gonna use, right? Okay, I'm gonna use my personal account, okay? So just give me 1 second. I'm gonna log in with my Google account, and this is what I'm gonna, right? So It's not necessary to create a username because you can access with your Facebook or Google account. Use the one that you feel more comfortable with, okay? And after that, guys, we are in powtoon. For creating the video, you will have two possibilities. The first possibility is gonna be creating the video from the very first beginning, right? It's gonna be your full creation, so you want an empty space. Yeah, in that case, guys, you have to click on this plus symbol, right? And you will say whiteboard video, right? When you choose a whiteboard video, you will have different options. Yes, I want to make an emphasis on something. It's necessary that you choose the options which are not pro. Otherwise, you won't have the possibility, you will not have the possibility to access many of the possible applications we can use, okay? So in that case, my dear students, right, the first thing that we are gonna do, it's gonna be associated in here with creating the video from the very first beginning, right? To do that possible, you have to click on here, start from scratch. It means like comenzar desde el principio, right? So you click on start from scratch, and in here you will have different options for your video, right? So you will choose the one you consider more appropriate. Yes. So in there, I recommend you to use the horizontal option, which is the option recommended for presentations and videos. Okay. After that, you will click on there, guys, and you will have an empty space to start working on the creation of your video. I can make some similarities with Word and PowerPoint, right? If you have worked at some point at any moment of your life, I suppose that we all have worked with PowerPoint and Word. Basically, the indications are really similar. Yes, so it's not that complex. Obviously, you need a moment to cacharrear the website, but in the end, you will find a lot of similarities in comparison with PowerPoint and Word, right? So in here, you just gotta click on blank slide, and you will have like another presentation to work with, okay? That is one of the options, but this is going to be time demanding as hell in case you decide to work on it. Yes, in this left side, as you can observe, you will have access to different things. For example, you can use a background for your presentations, right? So if you consider this one, for example, is appropriated, you just click on it, and it will immediately become part of your presentation, right? You have free images, you have different options. So depending on your purpose, depending on the social issue that you selected for this class project, you can look for images that help you in the process for creating your video. Here we have the options for the text, different text elements. If you want to add a title, if you want to add a headline, yes, you will find the options. And as you can see, it's really similar to PowerPoint, right? So you just click on what you need. And after that, you just modify the information, right? So if your social issue is about violence, so you simply insert the text space, and after that, you just gotta modify it according to what is required in your social issue and the way you are planning to present the video to all of us, okay? That is the first option, right? But I got a second option, which I consider is gonna be more useful for you. It's gonna be easier than this one, where you are going to create everything. I'm gonna talk about the second option right now, okay? In the second option, it is not necessary to start from scratch, right? For the second option, you have the possibility to select different templates already created, right? So you already will have a background established. You already have the text spaces, and the only thing you gotta do is to modify them according to your purpose, okay? That is the option I'm gonna show you right now, okay? Again, read the indications, read the instructions, and when you are ready with what is required, now you can proceed to create the video, okay? So we click on powtoon, and after that, you will access it, yes? Now, we have many different templates. Look at in here, 35 templates, a student, give me 1 second, let me go back, a student projects, 46 templates, teachers and faculty, 61 templates for administrative staff, yes, 58 templates for training, 29 templates for announcements, right? So you can access each of those categories and you can choose a template which help you in the process of the video you want to create. In my case, yes, I'm gonna choose teachers and faculty. Again, guys, many options are pro. For pro templates, it is necessary that we have a premium account. Si usted no quiere gastar plata, si usted no quiere crear una premium account, no problem. Do not choose the pro templates and look for the ones who are for free. Busquemos los gratuitos, right? And there is no problem. So you scroll down, you start to scroll down, and you will find different options which are not pro. Look at it. This one doesn't say pro. So in that sense, it's because it is for free and we can access it freely, okay? I'm gonna preview it. Here you have an example, take a look at it. Okay, so I'm gonna decrease the sound a bit. Good, my dear students, so there we have. That is a video that is already created, right? The only thing you have to do is, if you like the template, the only thing you have to do is to choose it, right? We click in here where it says edit in studio. We click on edit in studio and immediately we have access to the different slides created, right? Look at it. In this case, we have a total amount of 11 slides. 11 slides where the information is already over there. Yep. So my dear students, the only thing you have to do is to modify it according to your social issue. Teacher, I'm talking about poverty. Hey, Andres, I'm talking about inequality. Hey, Andres, I'm talking about domestic violence. Andres, I'm talking about homeless people. Hey, Andres, I want to talk about differences in the social strata. Whatever you consider appropriate, the only thing you have to do is to find a template, right? And after that, you go to the slide number 1, you click on the titles, you click on the different space devoted for the text, and then you modify it, okay? Example, welcome, right? And in here, I want to write, my name is Andres, right? And then the only thing you have to do is to modify the different slides with the information corresponding to your social issue, okay? That's it, my dear students. In that sense, people, right? One of the requirements is insert the voice. I want to make a parenthesis in Spanish in here. Guys, aparte del video, es necesario que las voces de ustedes aparezcan a lo largo del mismo, right? So in this possibility, you just have to modify the information and that's gonna be it. But one additional requirement is that your voice appear through the video, right? Your voice appears through the video, sorry for that, okay? So my dear students, in that sense, the only thing you gotta do is click on here, attention. Look at this microphone, yes? You gotta click on the microphone and you have to click on add voice voice over, right? Adicionar voz. So you click on add voice, we click on record, right? And then we will have this screen. So in this space, you will have the chance to speak, and you will have the possibility to mix your voice with the information presented on the slides, so people will have the possibility to see the different information that you add, but additionally they will have the chance to listen to your voice, right? I'm going to show you an example. Okay, so I will repeat it again. To add your voice to the video, it is necessary that we click on the microphone, right? That is a speaker. I think that is not a microphone, that is a speaker. So we click on the speaker, we click on I voice over. After that, we're gonna have different options. We have to click on record. When you click on record, immediately you will have this screen. Then we click on start record, right? I'm gonna give an example. Okay, go. Good evening, teacher and classmates. My name is Andres Tobon, and this is the presentation for the first part of my class project. Sorry for that. I hope you enjoy it, right? So you continue during the 2 minutes that the video is required, and when you finish, you click on stop record, right? Then you have the possibility to listen. Okay, give me 1 second because I am not sure if I am sharing this. That's gonna be a problem. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me check something here. Give me 1 moment. I'm looking for an option in here. So, okay, there we go. There we go, there we go. Yes, I was not sharing the sound. Okay, good. Now I am sharing the sound. So you will have the possibility to listen in here to what I created. Give me just 1 second, okay? So take a look at it. Okay, so you listen to it. It's Andres Tobon, and this is the presentation for the first part of my class project. Sorry for that. I hope you enjoy it, right? So you continue during the 2 minutes that the video is required, and when you finish, you click on. Okay, so you listen to it, you say, no, 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 I don't like it. So you repeat it again. And in the moment that you say, okay, it's perfect, I like this recording, you click on save, guardar, right? Then you give a name, right? A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, your name, your girlfriend's, boyfriend's name. You choose a name for the audio, and then you click on save, okay? And then we click on save. Okay, when you save it, right, you have the possibility to find it here, my voiceovers, right? When you click on my voiceovers, you will find the audio that you consider is appropriate. So you check the options and you choose use, right, entire video, and guys, in there you will have the possibility to watch the video and listen to your voice. Pay attention in here. And this is the presentation for the. Give me 1 second. As you can see there, the sound, yeah, the sound is kind of strange because the music affects the voice. Yeah. So in that sense, we gotta do something, and it's to reduce the volume of the music in order to listen to the presentation, okay? So I already reduced it, and let's listen again, okay? My class project, okay? Sorry for that. Give me 1 second, and let's begin. Sorry for that. I hope you Okay, give me 1 second. I want to start from the very first beginning. And let's go. Andres Tobon, and this is the present. Okay, let me go back again. Let me go back again. Perfect. Let me go to the 0 second and let's go. Okay, go. Good evening, teacher and classmates. My name is Andres Tobon, and this right. Can you see, guys? There you have the possibility to modify the information in the slides and to mix it with your voice, okay? I want to show you a final result. I already created one video, yes, as an example of what you have to do, okay? This is my example, guys. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here I go. And listen, please. Let's go. Today, I'm going to present. Okay, give me 1 second. I want to start from the very first beginning. Guys, take a look to my video. Let's go. Hey, what's up, people and teacher? Today, I'm going to present the first part of my class project. Have you ever heard of social issues? Social issues are happening everywhere, so attention to these indications. Take into consideration, right, that it's necessary to look for information and have a clear topic. Now it is time to analyze the next steps in order to be clear. Step 1. It is necessary that you use databases to look for reliable sources of information. After that, it is important to define your problem, right? To define the origin of it. Later on, it is necessary that you talk about the causes of your problem. Be clear and provide examples. After that, it is the time for the consequences. In the same way, look for real examples over there. Finally, we gotta talk about what is gonna happen if the problem is not analyzed seriously. If you have any question, guys, please type and ask questions through the forum, the WhatsApp, or any other issue or any other means you consider necessary. In that way, I want to say thank you so much. Okay, so guys, there is my example. In the example, I am giving you the information that you must use in your videos. If you use this video, if you pay attention to the requirements I'm gonna take into consideration, yes, you will have the chance, guys, to enjoy this experience and to present a final result, okay? So, my dear students, when you finish with your video, it's necessary that you upload your final result. And it's necessary that you upload two things. Abra un paréntesis acá en español nuevamente, listo. En el foro, la evidencia que van a subir van a ser dos. Una de ellas es el link del video y la otra va a ser el texto, right? El problem statement that you created, ¿ok? Entonces van a ser dos. El archivo de Word o el texto donde está el problem statement y el video donde vamos a presentarlo de forma libre, ¿ok? So those are going to be the two things, yes? Now, I want to make something here, yes? So we have the chance to participate, right? When you're ready, we click on here. Añade un nuevo tema al debate. So we click on there in the assumption, right? In the topic for this, we are gonna write our names. Andres, Tobon, video, right? And after that, we are going to publish, right? We are going to put over there the link to the video, and additionally, the description or the Word file, okay? That's gonna be it, my dear students, right? So if you want to upload it, we're gonna say, we're gonna click on here, right? We're gonna publish the link, and after that, we are going to copy and we're going to paste the information for the text, for the problem statement in here. After that, we click on enviar al foro, and in that way, you are gonna finish this learning experience, okay? So my dear students, in that way, I'm gonna finish this video tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it, and thank you so much for your attention.